Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2018 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG we have new in stock. This particular vehicle has a huge list of specifications, some optional features from the factory, some bespoke features added aftermarket. I'm just going to run you through some of the features you get. To begin with, this G63 was originally painted in Designo Olive Metallic, which was an optional finish paint. The car, however, now has been wrapped in matte silver from the world famous Yiannimize. It's also got an astonishing amount of aftermarket accessories added on from the world famous Urban Automotive. You can see some of the carbon fibre urban accessories being shown around the car here, such as the front bonnet, the rear spoiler and the rear wheel cover on the back. You can see the urban badging running across the centre. This particular G63 also came with the night package. Some of these features have still been left intact. You can see the rim on the rear of the car in gloss black still, the mirror caps in gloss black, some of the trim on the front bumper and the rear bumper. You've also got the darkened headlights, darkened tail lights and the darkened indicator housings all still visible. Privacy glass is also visible. You've also got the huge 23-inch UC1 urban wheels painted in gloss black with the urban centre caps. Some of the Edition 1 styling on the side of the car visible as well from the famous Yiannimize. The interior of this G63 has the AMG exclusive Nappa leather package. That gets you the diamond cross-stitch seating with lots of added features as well. You've got the full electric functions with memory settings, heated and cooled options as well. You've also got the premium package, which gets you the Burmeister surround sound system, amongst a long list of other equipment. On the centre console, you've got your command online system, your performance exhaust button and your dynamic driving modes. You've got your infotainment controls, your climate control functions and your differential controls as well. And on the centre screen, you do have access to the 360 surround camera. You've got your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel with access to cruise control and also your full digital driver's display connecting to the centre screen behind. You've got the optional heated steering wheel function as an added inclusion as well from the factory. And you also have a pan roof above as part of your premium equipment line. If you would like to learn any more, would like to see the full list of specifications, book a viewing or a test drive on this particular 2018 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG Urban Automotive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire for our website.